The line here between and here, level, here. Here, the hammer salvos. So I had to, how it is. Hello. Come with me to Flateyri, a little town in Westfjords of Iceland. I'm taking you through mountains and tunnels to get there. I'm going to tune an old piano who was rescued from a bar and it's in a private house now. Maybe it needs a lot of work on it. We see, follow me. This town sadly has experienced 2 avalanches. There are few things to fix on the piano. Some of the hammers are not in the right position and I had to tighten them. Here, the hammer salvos. So I had to tighten the bolt. If not, they hit each other and go together. The gap between the hammers, so they will not hit each other here on the way up, and then I get stuck. It is a little problem, you see. Bend this one a little, heat it up, and they're touching you, so this one is not straight. You see this one? The line here between and here. I have to bend it, heat it up, and make him straight. That's why they are touching each other here, like here. When I take it here a little away, it goes. This one is not straight to compare to this two. It's like on the side. I have to do it here to bend it a little. Heat it up. Low. Can you hear the sound? Some of the keys were stiff and stuck, so I had to make them loose. The strings are too close together, they're not sitting well, so just making the gap between them better. Like here too, you see it, how it is. They probably sound better if they are in the right position. Then it was time to tune it. The pitch of the piano was very low, so I had to raise it. Two of the keys were not in the same level as the others. Here, can you see it? They're higher, you see. Something is under. I found out something was under the keys. Something here. No, they are in the same level. Can you see it? Ég man alveg með sko, þetta öðru system. I have to glue this one. Ég vill líka þér ofan á sko, þannig að this one. Let it dry a little. Move this one little here to raft. because I have to. So it's straight more. Like this before. Now it's straight. So I have to heat this one up here. This one is not straight, you can see it here. This little, this one, I have to take a little to left to make it the gap between them the same. They're straight now. So they're not touching each other. Oh, they're all working well. Can you see it? This together. I had to put this here. And the green one here in between. In between here. And I have the middle of it. Sometimes I have to put something here in between. It's falling. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.